Exercise 1.3, first question. Write the numbers using commas. So write the numbers using commas. The first number given is 11245670. So we know that how to keep commas in the Indian system. The first, after three digits, we are going to keep comma from right to left. Okay, so here from right to left means here from right to left. This is the first digit, second digit, and third digit. So here at the third digit we are going to keep one comma. So followed by that every two digits, that means after five digits we are going to keep one comma. So here another comma we are going to keep, and after that at nine digits or seven digits we are going to keep comma. So here we are going to keep one comma. So now it will be easily read like this is thousands, and this is lakhs, and this is crores, and we will read it as 1 crore 12 lakhs 45,670. Now second problem, when you say 22402151, so from right to left we are going to keep commas. So from right to left, after three digits we are going to keep comma. So here, then after that every two digits we are going to keep comma, that means 1 2. So here again 1 2 here. So now it will be read as, okay, so this will be thousand place, and this will be lakhs, and this will be crores, and now it will be read as 2 crores 24 lakhs 2151. Now third problem, 30608712. So first thing what we are going to do, after three digits from right to left we are going to keep comma. Here we are going to keep comma, and every two digits we are going to keep comma, that means here, and after that here. So now this is a thousand, and this is a lakh, and this is a crore, and it will be read as 3 crores 6 lakhs 8,712. And coming to the fourth, 19030820. So now from right to left, after three digit we are going to keep comma, that means here, and after two digits here, after two digits here. So now this is thousands, and this is lakhs, and this is crores, and it will be read as 19 crores 3 lakhs 8,020. Next problem, second, write the numbers in words. First, 3 4 comma 0 to 5. So how we are going to write in words? So we know that after the three digit from right to left, so this will be the thousand place, and it will be read as 34,000. Okay, after that we continue with the 100. So there is no 100 here, 0, so no need to read 100. So directly we can go to 10th place, that is 25. So now how we write this number is 34,000, and next we write 25 directly, no 100 is there, 25. So in this way, in words we can write 34,025. So next number, 709115. So here commas are there. So from right to left, so at the third digit, this is the thousands place, and this is lakhs. So when you are going to read, we read from left to right. So this will be 7 lakhs. Okay, so first 7 lakhs, then after that 9,000. After that we are going to read hundreds, that is 100, and after that 15. So here we write here, once we write the lakhs, 7 lakhs. Next 9,000, 9,000. After that 100, 100. After that we write 15. We write 15. The third number 476000317. So from right to left, the third after three digits, this is the thousands place, this is lakhs place, this is crores place. Now we are going to read like 47th crore, 60 lakhs, and here thousands are not there, 00. So we can shift to hundreds, that is 317. So now how we write 47 crore, 47 crore, 60 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 300, 317. 17. So it is written as 47 crore 60 lakhs 317. Fourth problem 61807,000. So now we know this is the thousand place, this is lakhs, and this is crore. Now it will be read as 6 crore 18 lakhs 7,000. So now first we are going to write from left to right. Okay, now here this will be written as crore 6 crore, then after that the 18 lakhs we have to write 18 lakhs, and thousands 7,000s are there. Okay, 7,000, 7,000. So there is no hundreds and tens or unit places. Okay, so we can write 6 crore 18 lakhs 7,000. So next problem, third, write the numbers in figures. In that first one, 40 lakh 57,400. So here first we are going to write in figures. First we read 40 lakh. So here how we write 40 lakh here, in the sense 40 comma 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 000. So this is 40 lakhs. After that 57,000. So 57,000 in the thousands place we are going to write. So this will be 57,000. After that 400. So at 100th place this is 4 and this is 100. So now we are going to sum it for 0 5 7 4 0 0. So this is the figure format 4057400. So next problem 70 lakh 2,775. So 60 lakh 2,775. So next problem 60 lakh 2,775. So first we are going to write 60 lakh. So 60 lakh. After that 2,000 we are going to write. So 2,000 at 1,000 place. Okay, so 2,000. After that 700. After that 75. After that 75. So when you after writing we are going to sum it. Okay, so 60 comma 02 comma 775. So this will be the figure format 6002775. Next problem 2 crore 50 lakh 40,303. So first we are going to write 2 crore. So 2 crore 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 7 zeros. 2 crore means. So next 50 lakhs at 50th lakh position. Okay, so this will be 50,000,000. Next 40,000, 1000 place, so this will be 40,000. After that 300, so 100 place we are going to write, this is 300. After that 3, after that 3. So then we just submit here 2, next 5 0, next 4 0, next 3 0 3. So this will be the figure format 2504030 Next fourth, 60 crore 60 lakh 60,600. The first 60 crore we write 60 60 60 crore means 7 zeros we are going to see after 60. Next 60 lakh at the lakh place, 5 zeros after 60. Next 60,000 at the thousand place, so 3 zeros after 60. Next 600, 2 zeros after 6. Then just submit here, this is 60 60 60 6000. So this is the figure format 60 60 60 600. Fourth problem, write the numbers in expanded form. 640156. So expanded form means first we are going to follow uh, three steps. One is segregation, after that expansion form, after that expanded form. So first we segregate according to the place values here. So we have 6 place values. Okay, so just segregate here. 4, this is 5. We know this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand, and this is 10,000, and this is a lakh. So now just place the values here. So this is 6 5 1 0 4 6. The first step we segregated. Then second step just we write in the expansion form 6 into lakh. Okay, so 6 into lakh. Okay, so 5 zeros you are going to see. Next plus 4 into 10,000, and here 0 also there, that means 40,000 it is. So we are going to write 40 into 1000. Okay, so 40 into 1000. So after that plus we write in hundreds, so 100. Okay, so 1 into 100 plus next 56. Okay, that means 5 into 10, 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So after that just multiply these numbers, 6 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6. So this will be the expanded form of 640156. Next problem 63. Okay, 6320500. So now we just place segregate this values here. Okay, so according to the place value we segregate ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakh. So this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is 10,000, lakh, and this will be 10 lakh, and this is crore. So segregating the number, first thing we are going to do, so this will be 0 0 5 0 2. Okay, next 3, next 6. So after that we are going to write in the expansion form. So that will be this is 63 lakhs, that means 63 lakhs. Okay, so 63 into lakh, then thousands, 20,000s are there, so 20 into 1000. Next plus 500s are there, 5 into 100. Next just we multiply this. Okay, 63 lakh means 5 zeros we are going to see, plus 20,000 plus 500. So this is the expansion form for the above number. Next, third problem, 12530,275. So first thing, we just segregate the numbers into their place values. So this will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and this will be crore. This will be 10 crore. Okay, so next just keep the number, okay, into the place values. So that will be like this will be 5 7 2, and this will be 30, after that 2 5 and 1. So next we just go for the expansion form. So first 1 into crore we are going to see. Okay, so 1 into crore means here 7 zeros will come. Okay, 7 zeros, plus this is in the lakhs, 25 lakhs, so 25 into lakh. After that we go for the thousands, which is 0, so no thousands are there. That means 10,003 is there, that means 30,000 we should write. That means 30 into 1000. After that 200 we have to write 2 into 100. Then we have to write 7 into 10, 7 into 10. After that 5 into 1. So next we just multiply this, that will be like 1 crore means 7 zeros. Okay, so to, if you are in confused about the zeros, you can keep commas. Okay, so plus 25, okay, comma, 00, 000. So after that plus, that means 30,000. Okay, 30,000, then 200 plus 70 plus 5. So this will be the expanded form of the above number. So next number, fourth, 758019202. So first we are going to segregate the number according to the place value here. So this will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so after that just keep the number into this place values. That means 2 here, 0, 2 here, 9, 1, 0 here, 8, so here 5, here 7. So now we write in the expansion form. That means in the crores, that is 75 crores it is. That means 75 into crores, that is 1 followed by 7 zeros. So better to keep a comma here. After that, 80 lakhs it is. So 80 into a lakh means 1 followed by 5 zeros. So after that, we are going to write the thousands position, that is 19,000 it is. So 19 into 1000. After that, hundreds, like 2 into 100. After that, there is no tenths place, like 0 into 10. Okay, then followed by 2 into 1, followed by 2 into 1. Then just multiply it. Okay, 75. Okay, double zero double zero 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 zero. Then 80 lakhs, that is 80. Okay, 5 zeros lakhs means. After that, 19,000. After that, 2 into 100, that is 200. And 0, we can omit it. 0 into 10 will be 0, so no need to write. 2 into 1, 2. So here, this is the expanded form of the above number. Fifth problem, write the following numbers in short form. First, in that first, 50 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. So here first we are going to write the first number. Okay, so 50,000. Okay, then 4 lakhs we are going to write. After that, 20,000. So at the thousands position we are going to write. After that, 8,000. Then 500. Then 20. After that, 4. After that, 4. So here, when you are going to add here, okay, so here it will be 5 4 2 8 5 2 4. Next, second problem, 6 crore plus 40 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 1. So first, and the position, first number 6 crore. Then at lakhs place 40 lakhs we are going to write. Then 3 lakhs. After that, 20,000. Next, 500. Next, 1. So here, when you are going to submit 6 4 3 2 0 5 0 1. Next, third problem, 3 crore 3 lakhs 7,881. So in short form we are going to write. First, 3 crore we are going to write. After that, at lakhs position 3 lakhs we are going to write. After that, thousands position 7,000 we are going to write. After that, 800. Next, 80. Next, 1. So here, we add this. We get 30307,881. So this will be the short form for the above number. Next, fourth problem, 7,000,000,000. That means 7 crore 70 lakhs 7,070. So first we are going to write the 7 crore Next 70,000, 70 lakh at the lakh position. Next 7,000, 1000 place. After that 70. Then we just submit 770,070. So this will be the figure. Sixth problem, which is larger among these two, use greater than symbol and write. So for in this first problem, 4676121871914. So here how we are going to read the number. So here we know that this is the thousands place, this is lakhs place, and here this is the thousands place and this is lakhs place. So here we read as 4 lakhs 67,612, and here we read as 18 lakhs 71,914. So we know that 4 lakhs is less than 18 lakhs. Then we can say that 4 lakhs is less and 18 lakhs is more. So here we greater than symbol they are given. So we have to mention this answer in this by using this greater than symbol only. So we can write like less than symbol. If we write okay, in this way also it is right. 4 lakhs is less than 18 lakhs, but he told in the question use greater than symbol and write. So what we are going to do, we have to use greater than symbol, means we have to just interchange this question. Like left side we are going to write 18 lakhs 71,914, and right side we write 4 lakhs 67,612. So now we can keep the greater than symbol here. Then we can say that 18 lakhs is greater than 4 lakhs. The coming to the second question, 14, okay, 3510,300, 142510,300. So in this case, when you are going to see, so here also this is thousands place, this is lakhs, and this is crores. Here that is thousands, lakhs, and crores. We read as 14 crores 35 lakhs 10,300. In this number we read as 14 crores 25,000, 14 crores 25 lakhs 10,300. So now we see that 14 crores both are same here. Okay, though we go for the next digit placement, that is here it is 35 lakhs and here it is 25 lakhs, and we know that 35 lakhs is greater than 25 lakhs, and we can say that this number is greater and this number is smaller. Now we can use the greater than symbol in this way, and we can say that 14 crores 35 lakhs is greater than 14 lakhs 25, 14 crores 25 lakhs. So which is smaller among these two? Use less than symbol and write. So two numbers is given 200,015 99999. So again we just see the place values. Here it is thousands, and here it is lakhs, and here it is thousands. So when you read this, we read like 2 lakhs 15. So no thousands are there, 2 lakhs 15, and here we read as 99,999. So we know like 2 lakhs is greater than 99. So we can use a symbol like this greater than symbol, but in the question they told to use only the lesser sign. So we just shuffle the question. Left side we write 99999, and right side we write 2005. Now we can say that 99,000 is less than 2 lakhs. Then we can use this lesser than symbol, okay, and we can say that 99,000 is less than 2 lakhs. So next second question, 13, 1350050 1349785. So here when you see the place values, this is the thousands place, this is lakhs, and here it is thousands, it is lakhs, and we read as 13 lakhs 50,050, and we read this number 13 lakhs 49,785. So when you read 13 lakhs, it is both are common here, and when you see that thousands, it is 50,000, and here it is 49,000, and we know that 50,000 is greater and 49,000 is lesser. So we can use a symbol like 50,000. Okay, so this is greater, and here it is 49 is less. But in the question they told to use only the lesser sign. So left side we will shuffle the question here 1349785, and here 1350050, and now we can use the lesser than sign. Okay, so we can say that 13 lakhs 49,785 is less than 13 lakhs 50,050. Eighth question, write any 10 numbers with the digits 5 in crores place, 2 in lakhs place, 1 in 10,000s place, 6 in tenths place, and 3 in ones place. Keep any digits in the remaining places. So how we solve this problem? First we are going to place the digits place here. Place values we are going to keep. So we know that so so this will be ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So now what they told in the question, 5 in crores place. Now 5 we are going to keep in crores place, and after that 2 in lakhs place. So in the lakhs place here we are going to keep 2, and 1 in 10,000 place. So 1 we are going to keep in the 10,000 place. Next 6 in tens place. So tens place 6 here it is, and 3 in ones place. So ones place we are going to keep 3 here. So now when you see here there are blanks at 10 lakhs place, and 1000 place, and 100 place. So now they told in the question, keep any digits in the remaining places. Remaining places means these are the 3 blanks we are going to see. So at these blanks keep any number and frame a number here. Okay, and like that 10 numbers we have to frame. Now we see here 5, first one. Okay, now 5 I keep a 9 number here, and after that 2 1, and after that like 4. Okay, now 5 I keep here. Okay, after that 6 3. Okay, so this is one number. So like that I just keep any other number like 5 8. Okay, 2 1, 5 4, okay, 6 3, like this. And you can repeat the numbers like 5. Okay, so 8. Okay, 2 1. Okay, 8 8. Okay, 6 3, like this. You can repeat the numbers also. And the fourth number like any number 5 6 2 1, 9 8. Okay, 6 3. And fifth like 5 1 2 1, you can keep 0 also, like 7. Okay, 6 3. So 5 numbers we did. Next 5 numbers we will see, like sixth 5. Okay, so 0 I will keep. 2 1, like 2. Okay, 3. Okay, now 6 3. So these positions we should not change, only the in the blanks we are going to keep the numbers here. Seventh like 5, just 5 2 1, 6 9 6 3 I keep. And eighth like 5. Okay, 3 2 1, This is 4 7 6 3, ninth 5 4 2 1. Okay, and this is 2 6 6 3, and 10th 5 5 we can keep 7. Okay, 2 1, and I just keep any number 5. Okay, 5 2 6 3. So in this way, any numbers in this places we are going to keep and frame, likewise we can frame not only 10 numbers, in number of numbers we can frame more numbers also. So in this way we can solve the problem.